Hi guys, my name is Sheyo Bassi, and I also want to use this opportunity to address another frequently asked questions that I get from a lot of people who want to relocate to Canada. So they keep telling me that this agent has promised to give them jobs, accommodation, and get a visa for them to come to Canada this year. Well, I don't know where your agent is getting the information. If you go to the internet and to the Canada government website, you would see that all other routes, including the express entry, the PNP, the AIPP, and all the other routes are actually paused for people who are outside of Canada. So if an agent even gets you a job in Canada, which I doubt, he might not be able to process a work permit for you because they're actually not processing work permits for people outside of Canada. So all resources are actually being driven to people who are inside of Canada. So if you're in Canada, you can actually process your PMP, AIPP, Express Entry, which is called Canadian Express Entry A class for those who have working experience in Canada, and also PNP. So you need to ask your agent a few more questions. Canada is trying to process all the application backlogs that they actually have now. So all resources in terms of visa officers are actually geared towards that. But they are processing study permits for people who are still outside of Canada. So if you wanted to come to Canada to study, you can still come to study, and they will still process your applications. For all other routes, including visa for tourists, that's people who want to come to visit, it is actually paused. Okay? I hope that helped. Now take care of yourself, and bye.